Hi guys, it's Kay and welcome back to my channel. But guess what? Welcome to another updated makeup tutorial. You guys, this is pretty much like one of my favorite makeup tutorials, and honestly, if I love it, you guys gonna love it. I'm so glad that I finally got finished with it and I'm able to um, you know, upload it. All right, so of course you need your coffee to start off your day. And hey, when I drink coffee, I literally cannot sit down anywhere. So I started off with, of course, I did my eyebrows already in another video. So make sure you guys go check that out. It's an eyebrow tutorial on my channel. So I pretty much did my eyebrows and concealer, and I'm baking my eyes right now with the banana powder so that my eyeshadow can be bold and it can be popping. And that's pretty much like how I get my eyeshadow to stand out the most. I always, before I apply the eyeshadow, I always make sure I bake my eyes first. And of course, girl, make sure you blend for your life. Like, blend. Like, don't start a new color until it's like blend. Like, don't add a new color onto your eyes until your main color blend is blended, if it makes sense. And guys, this is going to be my first voiceover. Well, I don't know if this is going to be my first voiceover. I wasn't going to do a voiceover. I definitely was just going to upload the video. But girl, when I finished editing, I got sleepy. So honestly, I'm like tired. But I was like, I got to stay up. I got to do what I got to do. And I got to get this video out. So girl, yes. Alright, so this eyeshadow look, I'm talking about eyeshadow look. Well, yeah, that's right. This makeup look that I'm doing, I am going to do a cut crease. So usually when I do my cut crease, I do use my brush. I'm going to use it pretty much after this part, but I noticed that I didn't use the brush to cut. I just used the brush to pat the concealer in and stuff so that it can dry, because if you really don't pat it in and it's like still wet, and say if you put eyeshadow on it, girl, it's gonna cake up. So you're gonna make sure you blend it in. You see that brush right there, girl? Yes, get that brush. That is like my favorite brush. I need to see the name of it. I'm definitely gonna name everything at the bottom. It may not be when I upload this video, but just know, because that there is a whole nother job. But just know I'm gonna do it. Girl, I had to lean up, like get out the bed, take the freaking charger off the freaking phone to explain this part here. So this part, I did it before in like one of my makeup tutorials, but a little complicated, frustrated. And so the good thing about the whole makeup thing is that, like, if you fuck up, like if you mess up, you're able to go over that and like create your own little look. So girl, yes, I messed up on this part. But after, I don't know if God came down and was like, "Don't worry, Key, I got you." And he throw me some more colors, and I was like, oh wow. Like, but yeah, I am admitting that I was messing up on this part. See how addicted I am? I picked that cup up at least about how many times, guys? And I'm sure it's probably nothing else in that dang gone cup. It looks like it from my end. Like, it just looks like it's nothing in there. But I think it's probably hot also. And of course, if it's hot, I am gonna sip. Yes, that's what it is. I remember warming it up before I started because it got a little cold. So I think this is my favorite part, but let's all be honest, this part is hard as hell. But I'm about to get ready to shut my mouth because, like, I'm sipping coffee now, and I'll be talking throughout this whole freaking makeup tutorial. And sometimes people just want you to shut up and just beat your face, and they just look at you. So I'm about to shut my mouth, but this part here, okay, the tape really worked, honestly. And like without the tape, you gotta be a pro. Like without the tape, I think because I did it yesterday. Without the tape, I think I did like one eyeliner perfect, and the other freaking eyeliner was, girl, I don't know. But the tape does work, and if you don't have tape, that's totally fine. You just gotta continue to practice. Like, practice make perfect. You know, don't expect your first time to be like all peaches and cream, or just, you know, all that. Like, it's honest, like, you're gonna have to really work every day in order to prove your eyeliner, because that's no joke. But like I said, I'm about to go on this part, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next makeup tutorial, or I guess next vlog. I don't know what I'm doing.